What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the Lumary Smart Outdoor Neon Rope Lights. So I'm excited about these because Christmas is right around the corner, and these are going to look great on my porch. So I'm going to install those there and show you what they look like. So a little bit about the tech. This is what they call RGB AI. Warm white and cool white, so you can have kind of your normal modes with warm white and cool white, and then you can have your party mode with RGB and everything. RGB AI technology. Unlike traditional RGB technology, we employ independent control chips to individually regulate the color and brightness of each lamp bead. This allows each bead to emit different colors simultaneously, enabling multiple colors to be displayed on a single lamp at once. Okay, so this is going to be interesting to actually try out, and it will kind of give us an idea of what that exactly means, because I've seen some pretty cool effects done with this, but I haven't actually tried it out yet. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside, and then I'm going to go out and install this, record some video of it during the nighttime so you can see it real nice, and I will overlay those videos here. Alright, so we're opening the box. This is the 16.4 foot one, so it's a hefty package for sure. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, and wow, that is very nicely packed, and it looks so clean. Like it's all in. It's rubber, but it looks like it should be plastic. It's like a very tubular design.
Yeah, totally tubular, dude.
And then it goes out to a, I assume, power. Yeah, so let's pull this up here. And yes, so this is where the power strip and everything is. It is a very long cable because I'm assuming, yes, this is an outdoor cable. So all of this is waterproof. And then here we have the actual plug where we can plug into this and screw it in and keep that waterproof as well. So when you plug that in, you're basically going to just match those up, push this forward, and screw that in. That way it kind of keeps it dust and weatherproof and all that good stuff. These are outdoor lights, so it is made to be kind of weatherproof and everything, which is nice. I'm going to go ahead and plug these in and show you what they look like. But first, we're going to continue with the box itself because there's still a few things in here. We have the manual, which comes with an app to control it, by the way. So you will be able to control these with either the remote, which it includes here. Let me actually open this up. Here we go. The remote, which it includes. Or you can use the app itself to control it as well. So this takes 2 AAA batteries. Let's see if that comes with these. It does not come with AAA batteries, so I will need to source these. But let's go ahead and plug these in and see what it looks like. Now, for now, I'm just going to plug these in my room, but I am going to plug it in outside on the porch to show you guys as well. Alright, so we can see here that these are very, very bright. It's lighting up the entire background here. When I press the button on the inline control, we can change the color, and these are very, very bright. This is a well-lit recording room, so maybe to better show you this, I will turn off the lights. So we can see here it has a wide range of effects, and I'm gonna get this set up outside on the porch. That way you can kind of see what else it can do. But let's go ahead and press the button a few more times. So now we have a flowing style, nice little glow, switching between all the colors. Runway lights, we've got slight color changing here, flowing, sort of light trails in different colors as well, and going back and forth. If we hold the button down, we can turn it off or turn it back on. And finally, if we take a look inside the box, we have some stakes to set up the light strip as ground LEDs to have it going against maybe a pathway, and we have various wall mounts as well. But yeah, that's our look at the Lumary Smart Outdoor Neon Rope Light. I'll put a link to this in the description below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.